5 habits that can fix 90% of your financial problems. Most financial problems come from habits. If you constantly spend without caring about saving, financial trouble will come quickly. If you get caught in consumerism and lifestyle inflation, you will face financial difficulties. If you don't invest time and effort into learning skills that increase your income, money problems are inevitable. In other words, habits are the key factor that determines your financial strength. Fixing bad habits can completely change your financial situation. Change your life by changing your behavior. 1. Learn skills that increase your income. The more you learn, the more you can earn. This is a simple principle. The more skills you master, the more valuable you become. If you can create more value for customers and companies, you will be rewarded accordingly. On the other hand, if you are easily replaceable, it means you either lack skills or your skills do not create enough value. People who are easy to replace usually earn average or below average income. Focus on learning high-value and rare skills, such as content creation, copywriting, sales funnel building, advertising, social media marketing, programming, investing, financial management, SEO marketing, branding, video production, leadership skills. You can learn these skills in your free time by reading books, taking online courses, or even using free resources on Medium, YouTube, and other platforms. We live in the information age. Almost everything is available online for free. The only thing that can stop you from improving your skills is yourself. Build income-generating skills, and your financial situation will improve significantly. 2. Pay yourself first. One of the most effective financial habits is investing in yourself first. Most people spend their salary the moment they receive it. They give their money to others through shopping and consumption. This shows that material goods and status symbols are being prioritized over financial freedom and security. After receiving my salary, I always do the following. Allocate a fixed amount to an emergency fund. Save at least 15%. Invest at least 15%. Instead of paying others first, I pay myself first. This habit has helped me save and invest thousands of dollars instead of wasting money on unnecessary things. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." This mindset creates financial stability and allows you to spend freely without guilt, because part of your income is already protected. A practical tip: set an automatic reminder or transfer on payday called Invest in Yourself, and decide in advance how much goes into emergency savings, long-term savings, and investments each month. 3. Finish what you start. Your income is directly proportional to your ability to complete work. People who consistently finish tasks tend to earn more. Many people say, "I will. I'm planning to build a product, write a book, create an online course," but these ideas stay in their heads. Chronic procrastinators rarely succeed. Build the habit of taking action and completing tasks, and money will follow. Tips to improve productivity. Plan your day and week in detail. Identify the top 3 most important tasks each day and complete them no matter what. Work daily with your long-term goals in mind. Start your day with healthy habits that boost focus. Practice deep work for at least 2 hours a day. 4. Practice minimalism. Consumer culture convinces us that we need more, better, newer, more expensive things to be happy. But this is not true. Studies show that the happiness from shopping lasts only a few days. Freedom is what creates long-term happiness. If you keep wasting money on unnecessary consumption, financial freedom will always remain out of reach. Minimalism does not mean selling everything you own or wearing the same clothes every day. It means living intentionally. You don't upgrade your phone every year just to show status. You buy new clothes only when you truly need them. You don't upgrade to a more expensive car just because your income increases. Before buying anything, ask yourself, what is the long-term value of this purchase? Will Smith once said, "We spend money we don't have on things we don't need to impress people who don't care." Breaking free from consumer culture makes the path to financial freedom much easier. The more unnecessary expenses you cut, the more money you can invest in assets that generate returns, bringing you closer to a free life. 5. Invest. One common trait of wealthy people is that money works for them. Whether they are sleeping, traveling, or relaxing, their money continues to grow. That is true freedom. Wealthy people understand that saving provides safety, but saving alone will never create financial freedom. You must invest in assets that generate income even while you sleep. Warren Buffett famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Examples: real estate can generate rental income or capital gains. Stocks and ETFs can provide dividends and long-term appreciation. If you only save, inflation will slowly erode your money's value. That's why investing is not optional, it's necessary.